Hi, it's Kathy, and the function that I wanted to discuss was the VLOOKUP. And it's a function that in Excel that allows the user to look up specific information for. Okay, all right. Okay. Hi, this is Kathy, and I'd like to present my Excel function as the VLOOKUP. So it's a function that you can look up data and get information from easily and quickly from a table. Now the table that I'm displaying is short, but just to give you an idea of how it works, that's where I'm going with this. So the first thing I did was I made a table of the hockey players, NHL team, the position played, and their salary. And if I wanted to do a VLOOKUP, I would go to the cell down here, and I'm putting down the last name of the hockey player, which is, I want to know the data for Crosby. So in my next cell, I'm going to put the VLOOKUP formula. So it would be equals VLOOKUP, parentheses, A18, which is the cell that I want to have them look at, or Excel look at, is to get the information for Crosby. Then the next I'm going to put the worksheet. Hi, this is Kathy, and in regard to discussion 5, the instruction was to come up with a function in Excel that we haven't used, and the one I'm looking at to do is the VLOOKUP, which is a function in Excel to look up and retrieve data in a table. And I thought this was appropriate because we've been looking at tables and figuring out how to obtain data. So what I did was I made my own table, very short. Usually this VLOOKUP is great for lots of data. But my table consists of last name of a hockey player, NHL team, the position that they played, and their salary. And the first thing I did was I wanted to know in cell A18, I wanted to get some more information from this player. So what I would do is I would type his name here, and then to the right, I'm going to put my formula, which is equals VLOOKUP, parentheses, A18, which is the cell of Crosby, of what I want to start with. And then I want to pick the table, which is cells A6 through D15. And I'd like to find out what position he played. So the number 3 is based on the third column. And in regard to the false, that I want an exact number for that information. So when I put in the VLOOKUP formula, it comes up where Crosby is his position played, and the third column here is center. The other thing you can do is to go to other sheets. So if I have all this data and I'm presenting, and somebody asks me, well, what's this position player's team or salary, I can go to another sheet, and here, say I wanted Matthews, and I wanted to know what the team he played. So again, I can put the same formula, find out the team. In this one, I want to see what position. And in this column, I wanted to see his salary. So it's a pretty cool function, and we're probably going to be discussing it before the end of class, but I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.